Hello TikTokers, this is Steve from DRP Supplies in Spring Road, Industrial Estate, Spring Road, Smethwick, B66 1PE. Today we've had a delivery in of mixed ladies pallets, jeans, pyjamas, sweatshirts, fluffy tracksuits, jog bottoms, 500 pieces in a pallet, £1.95 an item. Then we go over to the men's. Come on Joe, let's follow me. Let's get it going. Mixed pallets of men's, sweatshirts, polo shirts, pyjamas, jeans, tracksuits, jog bottoms, 500 pieces of pallet, £1.95. Then we go over to the Matalan. A lot of big sizes. There's dresses, there's trousers, skirts, a lot of skirts, a lot of dresses. 550 pieces of pallet, £1.25. Crazy. Then we've got a few pallets of children's, where you get tracksuits, sweatshirts, jeans, jog bottoms. Can't get in on that small. 500 pieces of pallet, £1.50 an item. I've only got 21 pallets of it today, so get a text in or a call in on Steve on 07778 962 981.